it's time to weld. Hi, I'm Nico, here at the Blue Demon headquarters. Today we're going to be talking about Blue Demon's E308LFC-O. E308LFC-O is a gasless stainless steel flux cord wire. This gasless tubular wire can be used to weld all 300 series stainless up to 308. This wire is meant to run on flat and horizontal. 308LFC-O is available in a multitude of diameter wires, and newly released in 030 diameter. Since this wire requires no shielding gas, it is perfect for mobile welding jobs. This wire provides excellent weldability and increased creep resistance at elevated temperatures. Unlike other flux core wires, 308LFC-O runs on DC EP. Stick your ground to negative. Since I'll be running on 1/8" material, I'll set my amperage to 155 and I'll come in hot with my voltage at 26 and a rough estimate of 350 wire speed. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll get back to you ASAP.